Meteorologist Aaron Myler is back now for your full forecast. And Aaron, it is not a beach day by any stretch of the imagination.
You know somebody was still out there at some point, I guarantee it.
Yeah, probably the surfers or
Yep.
walking your dog if it's not too bad in between the drops.
It's the same people who wear shorts all winter long when it's like negative 100 degrees.
Yes.
So, but hey, if you had a good time, that's all that matters. Yeah, it's going to continue though, you guys. We're going to have this rain really staying in the forecast here, and we've already gotten quite a bit outside. It really depends on where you live on this one. We've been saying the whole time that along the border with New Hampshire, we'd have more rain. That, and in southern Maine is where we had the most rain. Portland receiving by far the most in the state, around 1.3 inches. The rest of the state got a lot less. The sensors aren't even really picking up on it too much. So it was more so just some mist or a very light sprinkle for many people across the state today, while others had downpours. Where are we at for the month though? It's felt really rainy all June long, and it has been because we are up from where we should be. Everybody, Bangor is up over an inch higher than where we should be for rainfall totals for the month, while Augusta and Portland are just a bit lower than that, but still well above where we should be. So definitely been a rainy month so far. Already got over a couple of inches, almost 2.5 for many. The rain's still outside at this point, a lot lighter than what we had earlier. Really just seeing some light showers scattered around the state, if not just some pretty decent mist when you head out the door, but again, still not the most exciting day overall. As we continue to look off to our west, we're going to notice a couple systems pairing together, and as it does, there's more rain over the Great Lakes that's going to start to put us in an unsettled pattern. Now, that's just kind of snapping back to where we were last week. Long story short, we're going to get back to the weather where it's some clouds, a little bit of sun trying, and then just the rain kind of sprinkled in the forecast as well. It's because of this trough that's over the area in addition to these low pressures, and as this one moves closer, we're just going to stick in that pattern for tomorrow, for Thursday. We're going to see it lasting into Friday and Saturday as well. So we're just generally sticking with that unsettled kind of rainy pattern back in the forecast. As far as you go for your day tomorrow, early in the morning, we're going to start to see some scattered showers around the area. Very light for the most part. So most people not even going to notice anything, and that's going to be the general story as we go throughout those days. Thursday, same general story, some showers, and we'll probably have a heavier pop down east, it's looking like, as we go to Thursday morning, but we should still just see that rain continuing on. But the good news is that we should also get a little bit of sunshine trying to peek out here and there. So it's not just going to be completely overcast skies for the next several days. You should have a little bit of sun trying to make its way out. So there's still a literal light at the end of the tunnel, but it's not going to be perfectly sunny or cloudy all day long. Just a little mix of all of that. Now for your rainfall, it's going to be over the next few days less than what many saw today. So this might look okay, it's not anything major, but when you space it out over a few days, which is what's happening here, it's really not that much that we're expecting. The good news though, for anybody with this, is if you have allergies that you were suffering from whenever we had those really sunny days, they're real low right now. So it's gonna really help that as we go through the next several. For your week ahead though, I mean, not what many people want to see where you see a little chance of rain each day, but again, this looks way more dramatic than it's going to be. It's going to be not so much rain, just a little chance here as we move through the next week. So we start to get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It begins to get a little bit nicer out there. We'll have some sunshine trying to return back to the forecast even more. But again, we're not going to start to see crystal clear blue skies for the next week, but temperatures are nice, so we got something. It's June, it's a transition month, so.
Yeah, and Father's Day is looking decent. So
yeah, looking okay. So
thanks, Aaron.